ఓం శ్రీ గురుభ్యో నమః. Today we come up to the 17th chapter of Ashtavakra Gita. This adhyaya is about the qualities of a realized person. Muktudu, one who has liberated. As Ashtavakra sees a liberated person, is describing a liberated person. This is the third chapter of his teaching now, means final teaching. He has actually gone through several other teachings. In the last, yesterday in the 16th Adhyaya, we have seen something called Sarva Vismarana Yoga. Then previously 15th Adhyaya we have seen Sarvatmatva Sthiti. So seeing the Atma everywhere. Then Sarva Vismarana is about giving up or forgetfulness of everything. Sarva Vismarana Yoga. So with that usual disclaimer that this is only for seekers of liberation and not for anyone who is seeking some worldly benefits. We will get to this adhyaya contains 20 slokas. Ashtavakra uvacha tena jnana phalam praptam yogabhyasa phalam tadha truptah swachendriyo nityam ekaki ramate tu yaha. Yaha, who, truptah, who has contented, swachendriyaha, having purified indriyas, purified instruments of jnana karmendriyas, nityam ekaki ramate, always enjoying in one's own self, ekaki, without any company, being alone, also enjoys. Tena tu, by whom? Tena tu jnana phalam, jnanabhyasa phalam, tada, and also yogabhyasa phalam praptam. We can declare that who gets this struptaha, three qualities, struptaha, swachendriyaha, nityam ekaki ramate, considered to be having jnana phalam of jnanabhyasa phalam. So abhyasa or the practice is jnanabhyasa, yogabhyasa phalam tada. So both have been attained by such a person. Na kadachit jagatyasmin tatvajño hanta khidyati yata ekena tenedam purnam brahmanda mandalam. Hanta, oho, yaha, tatvajñaha, person who has got the tattvam. Asmin jagati kadachit na khijyati. In this world, never ever is sorrowful. Khijyati, kheda is not there. Yataha tena ekena idam brahmanda mandalam purnam. So only by him, he realized that only by that self, this whole world is filled. So there is nothing to, there is no emptiness. So all the kheda will come, not having something, not having that thing, not having this thing. So everything is filled by the self. So realizing that there is nothing to worry. Na jatu vishayaha kepi swaramam harshayantyami sallaki pallava pretamivebham nimba pallavaha. This is one of the Ashtavakra doesn't generally give examples or some similes in his teaching. First time probably in his all the teaching he gives one example saying that an elephant which is enjoying the Sallaki Pallava Pretam Iva Ibham. Ibham is elephant. An elephant which is enjoying its most Sallaki Pallavam. There is Pallam is the leaf of a tree, Sallaki Pallavam, which is very much liked by this Ibha, means the elephant. Why will it go to Nimba Pallava? Why it will go to neem tree and neem leaves? Why will it go and eat neem leaves? So here, what is this comparison then? Najatu Vishaya Kepi, the Vishayanandam, which is coming from the objects of senses, Vishayanandam. It is like the neem leaves in comparison to Swaramam Harshayantyami. So one Swa Aramam, one who has taken rest in himself. Swa Aramam, who is resting in the self. That Harsham, that such a pleasure, Harsham, that bliss is uncomparable to the Vishayas. Whatever is the Vishaya, Vishayas are providing the happiness. Yastu bhogeshu bhukteshu na bhavatyadhivasitaha abhukteshu nirakankshi tadruso bhavadurlabhaha. This is the fourth sloka of 17th Adhyaya. This is another very interesting sloka. It is not found in any teachings other than this Ashtavakra Gita, probably whatever I have read. This is one of my favorite again. So, Yastu bhogeshu bhukteshu. Yaha tu, whoever, having enjoyed the enjoyments, na bhavatyadhivasitaha. So he will not get established in that vastu Vishaya Ananda. So he will not keep remembering that I have enjoyed such a thing, I have enjoyed such a thing. Abhukteshu nirakankshi. I have to enjoy something, I have to enjoy abhukteshu. I have not been enjoyed this, I have to enjoy this, I have to enjoy that. So here in the Sarva Vismarana Yoga, he said everything you forget. But here the pleasure is remembered, the object is not. Bhoga is coming from consuming something. So I have consumed this wonderful sweet, for example. So this sweet is giving me pleasure. So one adhivasitaha, he starts living in this objective awareness, saying that this object gives pleasure. So this is called adhivasitaha. So remembering the objects of bhogas, continuously saying that I should be able to enjoy this kind of objects in future, or much better object in future. Abhukteshu nirakankshi, not akanksha, not desiring anything which is not been abhukteshu, not been enjoyed, not been tadruso bhavadurlabhaha. This is Bhoga Vismarana Yoga, I would call it as. So, Bhoga, as it happens, but getting stuck in that Bhoga Vishaya and getting in the past and looking at the future for another Vishaya is the cause of all pains, actually. So, this one itself, one thing practiced is a wonderful yoga. This itself will become yastu bhogeshu bhukteshu nabhavatyadhivasitaha abhukteshu nirakankshi. Nira akankshi. Tadruso bhava durlabhaha. Such a person is very impossible to get. That is the mukta lakshana he is explaining. Bhubukshurihava samsare mumukshurapi drusyate bhogamoksha nirakankshi viralohi mahasayaha. Mahasayaha, the great asayaha, mahasayaha, the great person, great man. Bhubukshuriha samsare. You can see in the samsara a lot of bhubukshus who are interested in enjoying worldly pleasures. Mumukshurapi drusyate. We will see mumukshus also, people who want to give up these enjoyments in lieu to get the moksha. But one bhoga moksha nirakankshi. Neither bhoga he is looking for, nor moksha he is looking for. Viralohi mahasayaha. This is the mukta lakshana again. One who has attained the moksha, mukta, is neither kanksha, neither looking for bhogas nor looking for moksha. धर्मार्थ काम मोक्षेषु जीविते मरणे तथा कस्याप्युदारचित्तस्य हेयोपादेयता नहि. Dharma, Artha, Kama, Moksheshu. Dharma, Artha, Kama, Moksha are the fourfold purpose of life. Jivite, in the life, Marane Tatha, or in the death. Kasyapi, Udara Chittasya, Heya Upadeya Ta Nahi. So to give up Heya is not there, Upadeyata is not there, both are not there. Kasyapi Udara Chittasya. Udara Chitta is very open mind, wide mind, Udara Chittaha. So, हेय उपादेयत नहीं. वाञ्छान विश्वविलये न द्वेष्टस्तस्य च स्थितौ यथा जीविकया तस्मात् धन्य अस्ते यथा सुखम. वाञ्छान विश्वविलये, he is not looking for the dissolution of the world. न द्वेषस्तस्य च स्थितौ, not even he is dvesha, there is no dvesha means this world is creating a lot of pain to me, so I am not happy with it. Dvesha. So raga is attachment, dvesha is fighting with it, or dvesha is dvisha, is not getting the English word here. Dvesha stasya chastito yatha jivikaya tasmat. One who is going on in the life in that way. Dhanyaste is known to be the dhanya who has attained the attainment. Dhanya. Dhana is dhanya. Dhanyaste yatha sukham. So that is the highest sukham. Atha aste tadha sukham. Krutardho naiva jnane netavyam galitadhi kruti pasyan sronvan sprusyan jigran asyannaste yatha sukham. So krutardho anena jnanena etavyam galitadhi krutihi. Like this, through this jnana, krutardha, one who has completed attaining all the ardhas. Ardha means wealth, ardha means purpose. So one who has served the purpose. Galita dhi, one who has dhi is buddhi, buddhi is intellect, is merged in the atma. Galita dhi, kruti pasyan, by looking at the people who are what pasyan, seeing, shronavan, listening, sprusan, touching, jigran, smelling, ashnan, eating, tatha sukhamaste. In any of these actions, only sukham is seen. Nothing else is seen other than sukham. Sunya drushtir vruddha chesta vikalani indriyani cha na spruha na viraktirva kshena samsara sagare. So once the samsara sagara is kshena samsara sagare, sunya drushtihi, the vision is, what he sees appears as sunya, which is whatever seen is sunya drushtihi. Vruddha chesta. All the chestas, all the movements of mind, and chesta typically is the mind's movement. Vrudha chesta. So all those movements are vrudha, waste. They are simply useless. Whatever. Vikalani indriyani cha. All the indriyas, instruments, 5 jnanendriyas, 5 karmendriyas, vikalani. So naspruhaha, there is no attachment. Na virakti, there is no detachment also. Kshena samsara sagare, in the Kshena samsara sagara, all these things will happen. Na jagarti, not waking up. Na nidrati, not sleeping. Na unmilayati, na milati, not waking, not merging. Aho pradasakwapi vartate mukta chetasaha. The mind is freed. In that mind, there is no wakefulness, there is no sleep, there is no getting up, there is no opening, there is no closing. In that avastha, sarvatra drusyate swastha, sarvatra, in all places, drusyate swastha, seen as it's in their own nature. Swastha, swastha is healthy, or swastha is not having any disease. Swastha, sarvatra vimala asayah, in all the places vimala asayah. Asayah, there is no in all the places without any blemish. Asaya is not having any desire or anything mala, any blemish, anything impurity, no impurity. Vimala asaya. Asaya is no impure asayas, no impure desires. Samastha vasana mukto, all the core of vasanas, attachments, muktaha. Muktaha sarvatra rajate. So the muktaha rajate, always bright, always lordship, always owns, always leads, sarvatra, all in every place. Pasyan, shrunvan, sprusyan, jighran, ashnan, grahnan, vadan, vrajan, ihitani hitair mukto, mukta eva mahasayah. While seeing, while listening, while touching, while smelling, while eating, while taking, while talking, while walking, api, even all these actions are going on. Ihitan ihitai. Ihita, this is to be taken, to be done. Anihita, this is to be given up. Ihitan ihitair mukto. So these are the desires of several desires. This need to be done, this need not be done, this need to be given up. All these things given up. Mukta eva mahasayah. He is known as mukta. Nanindati, don't blame anybody. Nanindati, he will not blame anybody or anything. Not just tauti, he will not even praise anybody, anything. Na hrushyati, not overly happy. Na kupyati, not having any anger. Na dadati, will not give anything. Na gruhnati, not taking anything. Muktaha sarvatra nirasaha. All these in the layer of mind. In the layer of mind is not getting into any of these vyaparas. These are all transactions. Ninda, blaming something, blaming somebody. Stuti, hrushi, kupyati, dadati, giving, taking. All these things will not get into this muktaha sarvatra nirasaha. Essentially, they don't have any eternal essence, knowing that all those things goes away. Sanuragam striyam drushtva mrutyum va samupasthitam. Sa anuragam striyam. Look, a woman who is looking at him with anuraga, looking at such a woman, or looking at mrutyum, a death is reaching him, a death comes in front of him. Va samupasthitam, he is in the company of any sanuragam striyam drushtva or mrutyum drushtva samupasthitam. Avivhalamana, mind is not agitated in any direction. Swastho mukta eva mahasayah, he is established in something called swastha. Mukta, swastha is mukta eva mahasayah. Such mahasaya is mukta. Sukhe, dukhe, nare, naryam, sampatsucha, vipatsucha, vishesho naiva dhirasya, sarvatra samadarsinaha. In the sukha, in the dukha. In nara, in men, naryam, in woman. In sampatsu, in the wealth. In vipatsu, in any problems. Vipat, danger, a situation which is going to give a lot of loss. Sukhe, dukhe, nare, naryam, sampatsu cha, vipatsu cha, vishesho naiva dhirasya. He will not see any special thing. Visheshaha naiva dhirasya. This is important. Vishesho naiva dhirasya sarvatra samadarsinaha. Looking at all as seen, witnessing all these things, there is no speciality taken in any one thing. This is special, this is sukha, this is dukha, this is sampat, this is nara, this is nari. Na himsa naiva karunyam, na uddhatyam, na cha dinata, na acharyam, నచైవ క్షోభ క్షేణ సంసరణే నరే. న హింస నాట్ ఇన్ఫ్లిక్టింగ్ ఎనీ హార్మ్ టు ఎనీ. నైవ కారుణ్యం నాట్ షోయింగ్ ఎనీ కంపాషన్ యాజ్ సచ్. నో న ఔద్ధత్యం ఉద్ధత్యం నాట్ షోయింగ్ ఎనీ ప్రైడ్. నచ దీనత నాట్ షోయింగ్ ఎనీథింగ్ ప్లీడింగ్, గోయింగ్ టు ప్లీడ్ సంబడి, ప్లీజ్ ప్లీజ్ ప్లీజ్. న ఆశ్చర్యం నాట్ వండరింగ్. నచైవ క్షోభ నాట్ వర్రీయింగ్. క్షీణ సంసరణే నరే. ఆల్ దీస్ డిఫరెంట్ distinctions are not there. Na mukto vishayadveshtha nava vishayalolupaha. One who is not worried, vishayadveshta, vishayas are not thrown away, or they are not rejected. Na vishayalolupaha, nor he is indulged in the vishayas. Asansaktamana nityam praptam upasnute. Whatever comes naturally, he takes it. Praptam praptam. Whatever comes naturally is being taken, but he is neither getting indulged in it nor getting agitated by them. Samadhana vihita hita vikalpana sunya chitto na janati kaivalyameva samsthita. Kaivalya sthiti is being described. Samadhana, asamadhana. Samadhana is being understood or having peaceful. Asamadhana, agitated. Hita hita vikalpana. This is hita, this is going to be good for me. Ahita, this is going to be bad for me. This vikalpanas sunya chittaha. Vikalpana sunya chittaha. Whose mind is empty from all this samadhana, asamadhana, hita hita vikalpana, janati kaivalyam iva samsthita. That is known as kaivalya sthita. Nirmamo, nirahankaro, mine, aham, I, mine, nakinchiditi nischitaha, antargalita sarvasaha, kurvannapi karotina. So nirmama, having removed the mamakara of mine, thinking something as mine, nirahankara, thinking something as I, nakinchiditi nischati. So nothing, anything is not there, not essentially kinchit something. Antargalita sarvasaha, inwardly merged all the asas. Antargalita sarvasaha, given up, galitaha, sarva asaha, kurvannapi karotinaha. He is even engaged in actions. Those actions are not considered as actions. Manah prakasaha sammohaha swapnajajya vivarjitaha dasyam ka api samprapto bhaved galita manasa. Galita manasaha. Manah prakasaha, in the stage of illuminated mind, manah prakasaha. Sammohaha, in the delusion. Swapnaha, while dreaming. Jajya vivarjitaha, or dream jajya, or completely jada, means not active, complete inactivity. Manaprakasah, sammohaha, swapna, jajya, vivarjitaha. All these four states not being there. Dasyam kam api. So that dasya, so after giving up all this dasyam kamapi, which cannot be described, in that dasyam kamapi samprapto, getting established in that dasyam kamapi, undescribable dasya, bhaved galita manasaha. That is known as galita manasaha, given up mind or removed mind fallen down to him. Whose mind is fallen down into this kamapi dasyam, such dasyam, giving up manaprakasah, sammohaha, swapna, jajya, that is known as galita manasaha. That is the mukta state. In the Mandukya Upanishad, it says, na anta prajnam na bhi prajnam no bhataya prajnam na prajnana ghanam na prajnam na prajnam adrushtam avyavaharam agrahyam alakshanam achintyam avyapadesyaha. These are all the qualities of Atma. So it is na anta prajna, it is not internal inward prajna, na bahi prajna, na ubhataya prajna, na prajnana ghanam, na prajnam, na aprajnam, adrashtam, cannot be seen, avyavaharam, not getting into transaction, agrahyam, cannot be taken, alakshanam, cannot be described with a quality, achintyam, cannot be gone into a conceptual chintana, avyapadesyam, cannot be explained or imported with teaching, etc., 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 all these things. Such sthiti has been described here in these 20 slokas. So these can be used for practice, understanding the mukta sthiti, the nature beyond all the duality. Swasti.